Every productivity video tells you the same thing. Wake up at 5 a.m., take a cold shower, and run 10 kilometers.
Let's be real. You're a student. You have late-night lectures, assignments, and a social life. Waking up at 5 a.m. isn't productivity for you, it's torture.
At Deep Focus Campus, we believe in systems that actually work. Here is a simple morning routine for students. It doesn't require being a hero. It just requires 15 intentional minutes after you naturally wake up.
Step 1. Do not touch your phone. The first 10 minutes of your day dictate your entire focus. If you open TikTok or check your emails immediately, you're putting your brain in reactive mode instead of leading your day.
Instead, drink water. Your brain and body are dehydrated after 7 hours of sleep. Water is the real fuel for your concentration, not coffee on an empty stomach.
Open your curtains immediately. Sunlight tells your biological clock that the day has started. This reduces melatonin, the sleep hormone, and naturally boosts the cortisol you need for energy.
Move for just 2 minutes. You don't need a gym. Just move your body to tell your muscles you're ready to walk to class or sit down to study.
Before you start your school day, identify one big task. What is the one thing that, if you finish it today, will make you feel successful? Is it writing an essay, reviewing a difficult chapter?
Don't write a long, overwhelming to-do list. Just one thing. When you start that task while your mind is at its clearest, the rest of the day feels 10 times lighter.
Productivity isn't about waking up early. It's about waking up smart. Try this simple routine tomorrow and see how your day becomes less chaotic and more focused.
If you're a student looking for balance, join us at the campus. Tell me in the comments, what time do you usually wake up? Let's see who the most realistic student among us is.